Okay, in this video today, I am going to show you guys how I redid this hoodie that I purchased from Urban Outfitters. I purchased it about a year ago. It's just plain simple, says friends on the front. I really didn't like it. It's not really creative enough for me. It's just plain white with this on the front. So what I'm going to do is, I have this other sweater and it gave me the idea. I purchased this from Fashion Nova and I like how this is. I don't have material to match this, so what I'm gonna do with this sweater is I'm gonna cut along here and I'm gonna make ribbon ties. I'm gonna make the ribbon ties all the way to the bottom of the sleeves. I say I'm gonna stop about right here, and then I'm gonna cut this part off and make it more, I'm gonna chop it up and give it like some fuzz look or distraught look. And then I'm gonna do a few more things, but I'm gonna do that on both sides. I was gonna do it down the back, but I really don't like the way it'll fit if I do that. And as you can see, the arms on this is pretty huge, so my arm comes about right there, so I'm gonna cut right here and I'm gonna make little ribbon ties. Alright, as you guys can see, I did about 2 of them so far, so I'm going to do the same method all the way down the sleeve on both sides, so you can get a closer look. It's going to be like this, like tie knots going all the way down the sleeve. As you can see, I did go ahead and pre-cut it, just so I can just cut and tie all the way down. I'm going to do the same for this side over here as well. Okay, you guys, I did finish this arm right here. As you can see, I did go all the way down, and then I'm still figuring out if I'm put another one here and then just cut up this part a little bit, or I'm still deciding. Okay, you guys, this is the final outcome. I actually do love it. It adds a little something extra to this hoodie, because at first, as you saw, it was just plain with the word friends on the front. Now it gives it a little playfulness up in here, and then I did go around and cut those as well, because before I've only wore it like maybe twice, and I just didn't like the way it fit. It was bulky, it was like too heavy. This tightened up the arms, because as I said, the arms on this was huge, freaking huge. And as we all know, Urban Outfitters don't send you exactly what you ask for all the time. And I do believe I ordered a large. They sent an extra large, but I didn't want to go through the process of sending it back and doing all of that, having to call the call center and things like that. So I kind of just kept it. It was like, okay, maybe I need a bulky hoodie, but all in all, I like how this came out. I may do something else. I want to split it here and add like ribbons, so there's like a scrunch tie in the front, because this part is still pretty bulky, because as you can see, it's really wide, so when you put it on, it kind of fits that way as well.